What's up, YouTube? Dylan here at Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we took a closer look at the Tornado Duo Dripper from Brewista. Now, if you guys haven't heard of this dripper, I would definitely recommend checking it out. I compared the taste today between the all-common popular Hario V60 and the Tornado Duo Dripper. Now, I really love both of these drippers. I think you are going to get a great cup of coffee out of either one of these drippers. However, I just want to talk about some features on both. Now, build quality on both. This is made of a ceramic. So this is the Hario V60, and the Tornado Duo Dripper is made out of glass. Now, both products are very durable. I think that if you drop both of them, they are going to break, so just be careful with them. They are glass and ceramics, and they are not prone to breaking when dropped. So with that being said, don't drop them. Also, we're going to look at the build of the inside of the drippers. Now, this is the Tornado Duo Dripper from Brewista, and as you see, there is a lot of, I just like to call them rivets. They're probably something different, but rivets are what we're going to call them today. There are a lot of rivets, and they all meet down to the middle. Now, I really think because there are so many rivets that it's going to really guide the water through the bed of grounds a lot easier than most drippers, and it's going to be very uniform. Now, that's just something I want to take a look at with the Hario. If you look in here, they have the same rivets, the same kind of style, but if you look, every other one, there's just one that only goes partially down, which I never really understood that design. However, they both do flow very well. They both have a great amount of sweetness that comes out of them. However, I think that I would recommend the rivets going all the way down and more often like the Tornado Duo Dripper. Now, like I said, both are fantastic drippers. The base are pretty much the same, so I'm just going to show you. This one kind of goes over the cup, which the only thing that I can tell you that I like about the Hario V60 a little more than the Duo Dripper is the fact that when this goes onto the cup, it has that really nice spot right here, which is pretty much going to keep that on the cup very well, which is going to be very hard to knock off, which I don't know why you'd be knocking the table around when you're doing pour over anyways, but if you have kids running around, you never know. With the Brewista, it's nice, but it is a little bit shallower, so it does slide, I feel like, a little bit more. And weight-wise, the V60 ceramic is definitely a lot heavier, probably 2 times heavier than the Duo Dripper, which doesn't really make a difference at all, just kind of pointing out the build quality. Now, when it comes to taste, I really feel as though I get a little bit sweeter cup when using the Duo Dripper, the Tornado from Brewista. Now, this could be all in my imagination. It could just be because I like the design of the Tornado Duo Dripper a little bit better than the ceramic version of the V60. However, I think both, again, are going to give you that great clarity in the cup overall. So I would say personal preference by design, I give it to Brewista. Also for taste, a little bit sweeter cup, a little bit smoother. I would also say Brewista as well. Now, I'm not saying anything negative about the V60 because before I had the Tornado Duo Dripper, the V60 was my go-to dripper. I have a couple other drippers that I don't really show on the channel. However, I don't really like them that much, and there's just a lot of reasons why I do not. Now, today I actually poured over the Glass Series X server from Brewista. So as you guys seen on my channel, this is the Hario V60 glass server, which is very nice. But I don't know about you guys, but I really like the design of the Brewista. It's got that really nice shape to it. Really enjoy the look of this server, and I really like how the letters of Brewista are in gold. Same with the Tornado Duo Dripper as well. Now, as it goes for taste, the taste of this cup is very smooth and very sweet. I actually used Good Brothers coffee today, and the tasting notes were strawberry and papaya. I mean, how can you not like the tasting notes of strawberry and papaya? But let's give it a taste test for you guys. Gosh, that's good. So, really like the clarity of the cup. Today we use the brew ratio 1:16, so we started with 22.5 grams in and we poured till we got about 360. Now we use the gooseneck kettle, 205 Fahrenheit, not Celsius, Fahrenheit. Very, very good. I like to go a little bit hotter when doing my pour overs with lighter to medium roast because I just feel like it extracts a little bit better. So today we also poured over on the scale that Brewista also sells. It has this nice little pad on it and it covers the base of the scale, which is really nice because it's not waterproof, but it is water resistant, and it just makes it a little bit more comfortable using when you have the pad, especially when you're pouring over and you don't want that heat directly onto the scale itself. So really, really nice touch. If you guys are familiar with the Kaya, they make the Kaya Lunar Scale, which fits very, very well underneath any kind of drip tray for espresso, and this scale is very, very good for espresso as well. Today I used mode 6 out of 6, and this was for pour over, which is very, very nice. So if you guys have not heard of Brewista or have not tried the Tornado Duo Dripper, I strongly, strongly recommend that you give it a try. Really, really nice, smooth, sweet cup finish. I would definitely recommend it to anyone out there. No, I am not sponsored by Brewista, but I'm just giving you guys my honest thoughts and opinions like I always do, and definitely would recommend looking into Brewista. They have all kinds of different pour over stuff like mentioned before. So really, really appreciate them sending me these items for review. So I just want to thank you to the folks over at Brewista for sending me these items. Now, before we go, I am going to give you a sneak peek into a product that I feel is going to make your lives a whole lot more organized, you could say, and it's just so much easier when doing pour overs with your workflow. So this is the upcoming video that is coming out. This product is 100% worth every single penny. I am not sponsored by this company as well. I did pay for this, and it is ranging about $30 to $35. However, more on that soon. So definitely keep an eye out for that video. It's going to make your life so much easier if you're into pour overs, and I'll tell you that later. So if you haven't already, make sure to go check out Dylan'sHomeEspressoBar.com, where I am selling these t-shirts for $20. It really, really helps me. All the money that I get from these t-shirts are going to go right back into this channel, and it's going to allow me to get my coffee trailer started so much faster. So again, thank you guys all so much for the love and support that you've shown for me and the channel. I truly, truly appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button, as it really, really helps this video be seen by more of you guys out there, and it helps me make more content for you guys. So again, thank you guys so much. Dylan with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh!